Ultra Instinct. An emotion. And a special, sincere, universal ability. Created by the angels. Born by the angels. We are finally going to witness what Ultra Instinct looks like mastered. Mastered and evolved. Get ready to witness the most powerful form Goku has now reached, and the recent one as well. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Meet Primal Ultra Instinct. This is what happens after the power of the Saiyans, combined with the spirit of the angels, become one. Primal Ultra Instinct. One of the first forms that Goku was the first one to ever master it. He finally managed to master this form after preparing for the Judgment fight. For him versus the top 5 strong against the 5 strongest fighters in the universe. Goku's ready to face off against Budo, fighter number 5. Akuma, fighter number 4. In third place, the demon known as Yoshido, Takira, second fighter in the cosmos, found deep in the confines of space, and the watcher of time itself. And the one that compares to all of them, the Grand Minister himself, second fighter to the Omni King. With this grand transformation, Goku will be ready to face off and take down the top 5 strongest once and for all. One of these days, they'll be known as the most strongest in the entire cosmos. Get ready, Kakarot. Mastered Ultra Instinct? Say hello to Primal Ultra Instinct. Anyways, you notice these sideburns here? Well, these are like the ones that are kind of related to Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Primal Evolved. You remember I drew that one, right? You are free to check it out if you want. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There he is, folks. These sideburns are related to Super Saiyan Primal. Kind of like Vegeta's transformation against one of the Murno clones. Interesting, huh? It's worth it. this month, I'm gonna debut this transformation just for you guys. There we go. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I'm gonna draw his tail. In order to achieve this form, Whis had to grow his tail back. Now we draw this part here. Here's his arms. Let's hear from my compatriot here what Primal Ultra Instinct is. Alexa, what is Primal Ultra Instinct?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Ultra Instinct is an ultimate technique that separates the consciousness from the body, allowing it to move and fight independent of a martial artist's thoughts and emotions.
I think his tail should be up here. There we are. That's more like it. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
And there he is. Only one thing to add. The ultimate Ultra Instinct Aura. This is the combined power of the Super Saiyan and Ultra Instinct. This new transformation of Goku's, it might be enough to take down Grand Zeno. I've always wanted to ask, what does Grand Zeno's Supreme Battle form look like? I've been wanting to ask Unreal Gaming that for like, well, I don't know how long. I showed you the form from Anime Wars when Goku transformed into an Omni-God. I'm starting to think this transformation was before Omni-God. Well, compared to Vegeta at Ultra Ego Mastered, seeing this guy, seeing Goku at Ultra Instinct Primal, well, I can't wait to see what happens when they're combined. Hopefully we'll get to see Vegito with both forms merged into one. That'd be amazing. Anyway, that is how you draw Primal Ultra Instinct Goku. To check out the more transformations that are on my channel, be sure to like and subscribe, and I promise I'll draw more fighters like this soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell and good night.